Need to reset your Apple Watch? Whether you're troubleshooting or preparing to sell your device, resetting can help. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Apple Watch. So no more wasting time, let's get started. Method 1. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen, tap on the Settings app and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom, tap Reset, tap Erase all content and settings. Scroll down again, tap Erase all. Method 2. Erase all content settings using iPhone. If your iPhone is paired with your Apple Watch, then grab your iPhone, open up the Watch app on your iPhone, tap General, scroll down to the bottom, tap Reset, tap Erase Apple Watch content and settings. Now tap Erase all content and settings. Again, tap Erase all content and settings. Enter your Apple ID password. Then tap Erase from the top right corner. And this is how you can reset your Apple Watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.